welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Asymmetrical cake cut to celebrate 48th anniversary of West Khasi Hills district. Garo maidens kick off Wangala festival in Gondengre. Hito lodges complaint against social media insults. And police constable rescued after car accident near Rongram. Another news in detail. On October 28th, the NEHU Youth Council HYC West Khasi Hills District celebrated the 48th anniversary of West Khasi Hills District with a symbolic cake-cutting ceremony at Sipsing Inspection Bungalow, Nongston. The asymmetrical cake represented the district's incomplete status due to unclear border delineations with Assam. President Lumlang Kharsimle highlighted ongoing governmental shortcomings and discrimination faced by the district, emphasizing the need for attention and resolution. The event was attended by key members, including Secretary Wante Boklingdo, who reiterated the organization's commitment to advocating for the district's development and clarity on its boundaries. The celebration served as both a commemoration and a call for action to address long-standing issues.
Kaba kadega sni kaba iyo ya district jongi ke West Khasi district kaba ngila kenjok menta kau mau mer usau fat lagi senam subatai ya phi hang ni pradukot pradok prasnam subasai balai bangi sna masliang sna siriang yang ke bangim semua sna pendap yang ke kaba bangi ni labu kum kaseng kawai kat au kolong ba kum ka district kawai kiwai gila dap ni development di jingdon kam juga fair ngi hang ni pat bidang long isat yo siliak khmat ak sarkar jela ka jungi de nak kata kadau ngi nak le jungi ka seng ngin saot yo nupek lo siliang ha ka ni ka po kata ka di ka mat ka baning kong bar ka mat ka baar nak le jungi ka seng ngim sem long song kliti nadu baseng ka no snam arja khat sau ngile kendu i department ka ba fair o ngi i college ka jungi hanos to ngi snam ka baladap ngi soban ai jingi ro i we nap ngi amli no mikmat ba mak 9 i bayale kat bala banwan rak bun kina hikai rei ni bagi dang don kam susu kum garinga ri langam college kedang don kam bun kina hikai kum hariang do nanta hangiru ka Saint Francis nanta ngidon ru ka Sinot college idun kam bun ki jingi rap pasokal kam hikmat namba kan yo ketu yo to boleh putih po jangka West Khasi district kum man pen mau ru larangi Peit ru ya kisurok ka bangi dang don kam kum ngilai kenduk ni bor sarkar ngilai kenduk ni department fair bangi don kam kisurok tulen nanostoin sa makurwat nan nanta nanostoin sa moet kumjuru na moet kepadang senamata hadu kulang nanta kiwe pat naram rai pat poi sadu sa asam nanta kiwe pat ki bentang amak banjer kumangila de ban bu nundam sa sarkar isrok ba fair isrok hakisnong ki jongi ba fair ngirang duna ka roi kapar kamtam ki isrok ki jongi de kumta nak liang jongi kita ki de ki mat ki jongi nanta ladangi pai sagi building dan ni kabang iso le ran ki nong trai ki jongi nong trai kam sarkar ki jongi wan Shillong undan jaga sa ki haban sa yang wai pai kum bagi batrai ha SDSEO bagi batrai ha DSEO bagi wai benta bagi department ki ba fair dang bun ba bagi batrai ha DC dang bun ba ki bom semla yok kwarta tamban sa nomor ba kim semla dan Jakarta kani kadai ka benta ka bang ki jing duna jongi apo jong ka west napa ki jing duna apo jong ka west kadai subuh kum kini ki resident school ru ngim sem lapadon nanta mudul ke politeknik politeknik kepadon han murusiar kabla daki first name kabla sasra kabla umdan bapet hadu mentang sarkar ka nyau yang khmat si sayangi nanta ngi pet ke district gil kabla tang sudap masiteng ti kalau long gumba kalau long sisa ke jing nyau yang kebaseng nanta ngin pet ru i government building lagde sarkar ko melaong meni dekat ke staff lagde bagi di haki school ki jungi government school kadang khamha ka sem masih jong ki breu di bala ka khamha ka sem masih jong ki kat tu ni breu di bala khamyok ka ban ya ka ki government school ko jong West Khasi district oi ni iya kini ki dia singi ka sarkar hadin banak lian jungi ngi dawa bakala sedang ya kaban ya lek kat bala banwan ra ya kita ki school ki babiang ki building ki babiang hendrai ngi sarkar ka suki palat naki school ki badan po West Khasi Hills ka palat ya spatli ki school ki LP school bat ki UP kadang trai kumba haki apa persen ngidang don kam sibun ki natangila don kamru ya ki academic ki babiang nam ta ki bakuli ki sport khnang ba yolat ki ma ki Samla po West Khasi Hills district ki dahi ya ka burom jong ka state berkawai nadu ka cricket ka football lada pipe ki atletik ba fair lagre ke jingi siat lagre ka jingi siat khnam renti kum ki wai ru ki Samla po West Khasi Hills ki dei ki ba yang ka burom ka jongi kum ta ngi cepat ka district ya ka state berkawai bahkan Peit mat lada ni Peit ka health sector ka civil kadang don kam sibun ki jing don kam ke MCH hang ni ka ba syam lapli menu le chong ka join meeting bat ka Dr. Amparin ru rei kam syam lapai senu ni kam dinget ba kinata ki PSC babun nata ki si ngi mata ki sop sentar jelas bu di senong katu ka di senong rei don bru bat rei kan ta i ban bu tangga building ka kelalong ban kata tem sniu ka jaka ba fair ki jela ka jengi nata doktor berkat ka PSC ka ba Lagnu dari bandan arngut ki doktor re lagi PNC po jang ka west ai tang we doktor teng ki don teng ki ba syam la don doktor kani ka lapan thang sibun nang ta la da pipet tang ka dialysis center ka bangi dawan ka seng na we pos ko pat ki ba pang perkhat ki ha ba pang klai haban kiu sa Shillong arsin license si tayo ki kwa ba ka de bandan ka dialysis center po jang ka west Khasi district ka jong ka ta ka jing dawa jong nang ta ki we pat ki banta ki doktor jing duna jing ki nos teng ngi kum ki seng ni su thu sai teng ngi kendu i pa ki komplain ngi ba bom biang ki doktor bom biang ki nos ndang ila lej ba pli ngi kendu i doktor ngi kendu i ki nos namar ba ka kia plat kam ti ka kia kam kum la su ban ko ba ti kum ta i tang ha po west kum kini ki
On Sunday morning, Garo maidens danced to the rhythm of traditional drums as the Wangala festival, the Garo community's biggest harvest celebration, commenced in Gondengre, approximately 30 kilometers from Tura. This vibrant event highlights the rich cultural heritage of the Garo people, featuring lively performances and communal festivities. The festival will culminate in a 3-day gala event, the 100 Drums Wangala Festival, set to take place at the Garo Heritage Village near Rongram in the first week of November. This annual celebration underscores the importance of agriculture and community in Garo culture, attracting participants and visitors alike. October 28th, leaders of the NEHU Integrated Territorial Organization, (HITO), filed a formal complaint with the Superintendent of Police in East Khasi Hills regarding an offensive Instagram post by Anisha, a youth residing in Bangalore. The post allegedly contains derogatory language aimed at the NEHU community, the state police and civil society, including the Khasi Students' Union (KSU). HITO has urged the district police to investigate the matter and take appropriate legal action against the misuse of social media. Balaji Jarwa, General Secretary of HITO in Shillong City, emphasized the organization's commitment to addressing and curbing the spread of such insults through legal channels.
Mentasi nakaliang juga itu mah kami NEHU Integrated Territorial Organization mentasi lawan ni po SP office ban bu ikan ni ka FIR persya ikan ni ka beliau ka Anisha mah ka baju khot ni kemudian ni ikan ni ka Instagram account bala sampai yang video juga ni atri lagi sini bala along ka bala akran ni kentin kiba kata dia kajat benreu berokhat hi mah ndai tang ya WR ne ndai lakta lakren to met di berokhat di breu khantam gi khasi jongi di kena Samla khasi jongi lakren siapa pelate nang ta pat kalale ki kam ki ba ta mah ki ba la isir khai ba kaliang jongi lai kumengi ba ya Peit ini kita ki mental health public health ni ni compare ka bakal apa yang kata stage bakal along sociopath mah te kumta hi ngir mi kerpat ki bahayeng hasem jong ni ka priyo ba kidi ban simkhia ban yal wan yalam no ya ka sini sieng sisam ban ai ka jingsneng ban ai ban kra ban sneng ban kra ka khnang ba ban lat kini ki komle thar tha komle thamu jong ka ma te kumta hi mentasi lawan hau SP office lawan kedua SP ru ban simkhia ka ni ka matter ma ka lawan hau social media bagi kerpat lu yang berokati para jaj para doa juni berokati ba video ban report no ikatuka account jung tu ka break khnang ba na liang jung ka meta ru jung ka Instagram no Facebook ru kinyo no ban block no ikatuka account nomor balai katu kalong bethat ikajaj ban real that ikajinglong khasi jungi ba rokati ni berokati tip jimlong ra kumta khasi jungi kena Samla jungi jimlong bakaran tu ka break dia kata hi kermen ba Nani shkhmat ru ba USP ru unchim khia kani ka jing wan bu ujor ni wan bu ujor ni bat kerkom keren jong ka yaki pulet nadu ki kena ya kena seng ma kena seng balang ni nadu KSU nadu ki SP nadu pulet nadu seng balang ni ilong kami ru kala keren di kentien ki bapo ma ki tensang kada ong baik ki KSU bib dapat uji kem yang kulit bib mah tindak pek video jong karuk lai i dia kumta hi ni lawan ni bagi keren ka pasya ki bahayeng bahasam jong ka ba video ban bisar ba pen ilti ya laja la jong ka khun khti hayeng sama ban lai ki jing syak keren ban jing syak kan tho ka imlang salah pro kakak kum dapat di batik ni di jingtip te kidang kasak sport Bangalore mah ada di Bangalore mentang sport Karnataka
meno kata video ka bakren
mentang keladan ni mentang ars ngilai si te video ru ngila ai hi sport ka copy jong tu video ngila ai open drive hi sport USP ya gitu barokhat
tip to ka bro ni kasnong na is no try jong to
kasnong try ki ong bedi na po west tang bana west pat na 18 in the tip ha mai kata
nagleng SP pat ka
nakaliang ka SP tu laong ba unpet lamar ba kanir kalakta ha mo ya ka imlang salang profit.
A police constable identified as Barnath CH Marak of Meghalaya Police was severely injured in a car accident near Rongram approximately 15 kilometers from Tura on Sunday night. The incident occurred shortly before midnight when Marak's Maruti car ML08J0962 overturned near Rogagre, close to the tri-junction to Chibrage. Passing commuters, including a local journalist returning from the Wangala festival at Gondengre village, discovered the wrecked vehicle with Marak trapped inside, unconscious and bleeding profusely. They quickly worked together to free him from the damaged car and transported him to Tura Civil Hospital, where he remains in serious condition. It is suspected that excessive speed contributed to the accident. Barnard C.H. Marak is reported to hail from the Matchakolgre area of Tura. The community is rallying for his swift recovery following this alarming incident. The Hnyautrap Youth Council HYC organized a public rally in Nongstoin to raise awareness about the escalating drug abuse crisis in Meghalaya, particularly in West Khasi Hills. Under the slogan, "Stop Drugs and Set a Goal in Life," the event, titled Drugs Elimination and Enforcement of Dreams, DEED, aimed to educate the public on the devastating impact of drugs on youth. The rally commenced at SBI Nongstoin, traversing various villages and townships before concluding with a public meeting. Key speakers included HYC President Roykupar Sinram, Vice President Donbosco Kharlungdo, and Assistant Secretary Isaac Basayomoy. The enthusiastic participation of HYC members, along with thousands of men, women, and school children, underscored the community's commitment to combating drug abuse.
Ikun Samla ke lalang spat, lalabon ikun Samla ke spat. Lese ke sordar kan sa, ke saklumar, namar batang hikam bertuai ke sa ke mak bantuan. Bandar yang lagi ke saya mungkin mudin ke kata, bang igelpat ke ikun Samla, ikun asal ke pedan negara ke por kata. Ong em yo drop. Minor sistem, kenal magam nani ong em kenal yo drop. Ong em. Kata kata kerti ke masyarakat ikun Samla. Dondong ikun Samla kaya kenduk yang ikini kita kiwan menjawab dari kenduk yang nomor disebut yang ikun dijempi om dan lenti shoot terkawai. Nomor bagian lawan di drop. Rengat kuat orang bersama berdok bersama bagian yang SPC ini pen yang ini terhilang. Ngepong bagi bahaya hasil orang drop yang istri JBM. Rewan menyatakan ni, mengiyo menyatakan kumlo mengilakan kumla itu yang ikut dijempi kita mana kodrok. Kesorgar ini yang ini. Kalau pun benar maka saya kira yang berikut salah, berikut homestay mahal, banyak yang halal. Panpenuan yang berikut apa yang berjalan ini? Negara yang jadi SPC itu antara arti dia mak betul. Ngiyong yang kelintiral nama balai. Ngiyong yang kelintiral nama balai. Nama dah ngiyong bagi Khuborjylla. Kinuan tut yang berjalan ini ketong tertelikam di IRT. Berjamaah yang mundur. Banyak polis bangan berdasarkan jenah. Kemudian yang speed yang rel, pada yang speed yang kali. Menolak akan speed rel. Wajib kali kemakit jadi drop firma bank up. Jika kali kemakit di Wangala firma bank firma beli motor firma beli yang rel kemakit di Wangala kemakit perman supply di jalan kami. Sekarang yang rel nomor selesai panggilan tentang jadi kapahak bandar ini semadan ladang dan pencil pulau bisa jadi nolai pengemban kisah neban penduduk.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.